Welcome mga matuto lovers. Magandang araw, magandang tanghali o anumang oras itong napanood ang video ito. Salamat sa panonood sa ating YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan, isang dapat nating pag-ingatan at pagyabungin. Sa oras po na ito ay ating pag-aralan is the area of triangle in coordinate geometry. A triangle is a three-sided polygon with three vertices and three edges in geometry. In coordinate geometry, the area of triangle is found using the formula 1/2 times the absolute of x sub 1 times the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 3 plus x sub 2 times y sub 3 minus y sub 1 plus x sub 3 times y sub 1 minus y sub 2, where the triangle's vertices are x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, and x sub 3, y sub 3. The area of the triangle in two-dimensional plane is the area that the triangle covers. So, yung area na ating gagamitin na formula is derived from the area of the triangle 1/2 times base times height. Okay? So, since ang given natin ay coordinates, kaya medyo mahaba po yung ating formula. Now, to illustrate further, we will have examples. Example 1, determine the area of the triangle ABC with vertices are negative 7, 0, 5, 2, and negative 3, 7 in square meters. So, ang given natin, the vertex A is negative 7, 0, vertex B 5, 2, vertex C negative 3, 7. Yun po yung nakikita natin dito sa right side ng ating pong screen o ng ating monitor. Okay? Now, using the formula to find the area, so our formula, substitute natin yung ating given values. Ang A natin is the source of x sub 1 and y sub 1. Ang B natin ay the y sub x sub 2, y sub 2. Ang vertex C ay x sub 3, y sub 3. So, you have 1/2 times x sub 1 negative 7 times y sub 2 is 2 minus y sub 3 ay 7 plus 5 times, yung 5 natin ay x sub 2, 5 sa B, tapos times 7 minus 0. Okay? So, nakuha po natin yung 7 doon po sa y sub 3, tapos 0 sa y sub 1, plus negative 3, yung x sub 3, times 0, yung x sub 1, y sub 1, minus 2. Then, negative 7 times negative 5. So, 2 minus 7 is negative 5, plus 5 times 7 minus 0 is 7. So, 5 times 7. Then, negative 3 times 0 minus 2, and that is negative 2. So, you have negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35, plus 5 times 7 is 35, and plus negative 3 times negative 2 ay positive 6. So, 35 plus 35 ay 70, plus 6 ay 76 times 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 times 76 is the area of the triangle ABC is 38 meters squared, no? Or square meter. So, naka-square tayo kasi area po yung ating sukat, no? So, that is the area of the triangle ABC. Example 2. Determine the area of triangle ABC with the vertices are negative 6, negative 5, 7, negative 2, and 7, 6 in square inches. So, yun po yung nakikita natin sa right side of the monitor. Okay, so ang given natin, ang A, vertex A is negative 6, negative 5. Nasa third quadrant. Ang vertex B ay 7, negative 2. Nasa fourth quadrant. At ang vertex C ay 7, 6 sa first quadrant. So, solution natin, again, we are using our formula to find the area in the coordinate plane. Substitute natin ang given values. Ang x sub 1 ay negative 6 times ang y sub 2 ay negative 2 minus 6 yung ating y sub 3 plus 7 ang ating x sub 2 times y sub 3 ay 6 minus negative 5 which is the y sub 1 plus 7 yung x sub 3 natin minus times negative 5 yung ating y sub 1 minus negative 2 yung ating y sub 2. Okay? So, copy lang, make 1/2 times negative 6. Negative 2 minus 6 ay negative 8. So, negative 6 times negative 8. Tapos, 7. Tapos, 6 minus negative 5 ay positive 11. Since negative times negative 5 is positive 5. So, 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 7 times negative 5 minus negative 2 ay negative 3. So, negative 6 times negative 8 is 48. 7 times 11 ay 77. Tapos, 7 times negative 3 ay negative 21. So, 48 plus 77 plus negative 21 ay 104 times 1/2. So, you have the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 52 inch squared or square inch. No? Okay. Example number 3. Determine the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Given, ang ating vertex A ay negative 8, 1. Ang vertex B, negative 3, 7. Vertex 5, ay vertex C, 5, 2. Vertex D ay negative 5, negative 6 in square meters. So, ang gagawin natin, hatiin natin yung quadrilateral. Okay? So, ang gagamitin ko una ay, kaya nung nahati, naging dalawang triangle. Ngayon, gagamitin ko unang triangle ay triangle ABC. Okay? Ang triangle ABC, ang vertex A ay negative 8, 1. Ang vertex B, negative 3, 7. Ang vertex C ay 5, 2. Okay, using our formula, no? So, ito po yung solution natin. The area of quadrilateral is equals to the area of the triangle ABC plus the area of the triangle ACD. So, kapag i-combine natin yung dalawang area, yun po yung area ng quadrilateral. Substitute natin yung value natin, yung ABC natin, vertex ABC, to the given formula. So, the area of triangle ABC, you have 1/2 times negative 8 times 7 minus 2. So, 7 ay y sub 2 minus 2 yung y sub 3 plus negative 3 yung ating x sub 2 times 2 minus 1. Okay, plus 8 plus 5 times 1 minus 7. So, negative 8. Yung 7 minus 2 ay 5. So, negative 8 times 5. Tapos, yung negative 3. Tapos, 2 times 2 minus 1 ay 1. So, negative 3 times 1. Tapos, 1 minus 7 ay negative 6. So, 5 times negative 6. So, 1/2 times the quantity, the absolute value, negative 40 minus 3 minus 30. So, yung negative 40 nakuha natin sa negative 8 times 5. Yung negative 3 ay negative 3 times 1. Tapos 5 times negative 6 ay negative 30. So, kapag i-add natin, so that is 73. No? Negative 40 minus 3 minus 30 ay negative 73. Since naka-absolute, ay gumamit tayo ng positive value ng 73. So, area of the triangle ABC ay 36.5 meters square. So, yun yung kalahati ng quadrilateral. So, another half niya is the triangle ACD. Okay? So, again, i-plot natin yung atin kung given doon sa formula. So, the area of the triangle ACD is equal to 1/2 times x sub 1 ay negative 8 times y sub 2 ay 2 minus negative 6 yung ating y sub 3 plus 5 times negative 6 minus 1 plus negative 5 times 1 minus 2. Okay? So, 2 minus negative 6 ay 8. No? So, that is negative times negative 6. So, 8. So, negative 8 times 8. Tapos copy 5, tapos negative 6 minus 1 ay negative 7, times negative 5, times 1 minus 2 ay negative 1. Okay, so negative 8 times negative times 8 ay negative 64, 5 times negative 7 ay negative 35, negative 5 times negative 1 ay 5. So 64 minus 35 ay 94. Okay, 94. Positive siya kasi ginamit na natin ang absolute value. So 1/2 times 94. So the area of triangle ACD is 47 meters square. Ngayon, i-combine na po natin para makuha natin si quadrilateral. So the area of the quadrilateral is equals to the area of the triangle ABC plus the area of triangle ACD. So the area of the quadrilateral is 36.5 meters square plus 47 meters square. So that is 83.5 meters square. So yun po ang pagkuha natin kapag mayroon po tayong more than 3 vertex doon sa atin pong coordinate plane. So these are your activities na sasagutan, no? So determine the area triangle with vertex of 4, 10, 1, 1, and 6, -3. Okay? And determine the area triangle with vertex -4, 9, 1, 3, and 0, 0. Number 3, determine the area of triangle with the vertices of -3, -1, -6, -4, 6, -5. Ayan. And then number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at nawa patuloy niyo tangkilikin ang mga video na atin pong i-upload at nawa isuportahan ninyo ang ating YouTube channel. So, uli, maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Panginoon at gabayan kayo palagi sa araw-araw niyong pamumuhay at hanap buhay. Salamat po. God bless sa lahat.